ठीक है. Hello everyone.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning to all of you. I think all of you will be quite well by the grace of God, and I would like to wish you during the morning time very happiness and very rosy welcome, so that you have come here to learn lots of knowledge from this sector of English era. Yes, it will be golden chance for you, and recently I have brought very conical and significant topic. Do you know? Do you know what kind of topic is being talked by me? Okay, look at the board. Some examples, some interjection examples and word meaning. Okay, interjection means sudden and strong feeling. Whenever someone try to express their feelings, sudden and strong in front of the people, that is way of expressing power is called interjections. Okay, just like this. Touch wood. Touch wood means, guys, कहीं नजर ना लग जाए. टच वुड मीन्स
कहीं नजर ना लग जाए.
आप इसको कैसे फ्लैश कर सकते हैं, इसको आप कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. ओह ओह माय गॉड, गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड सेव यू. टच वुड. टच वुड मीन्स कहीं नजर ना लग जाए. ठीक है. सेव सम फाइव फाइव मीन्स चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरो. सेव सम फाइव फाइव. When someone behaving like this, unexpected things and unbelievable things in front of the people, and they are trying to spoil their life, and they do not focus on the target. Just such type of person, you can say that, oh, some same high five. ठीक है. Some high five, just like this. मतलब चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मर जाओ. तुमको शर्म नहीं लगता है कि इतना करने के बावजूद भी शांत रहो और शांत नहीं रह रहा, तुमको चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मर जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. आई एम ट्राइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू too much for a long time, but instead of knowing these activities, you are behaving like this unexpected things. Same some five five. Same some five five. मतलब चुल्लू भर पानी में ओके. इज दैट फाइव फाइव छी छी. जैसे कि कोई आता है, मतलब जा रहा है, ठीक है, और कोई मतलब अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग को छू लिया है, जैसे कि गिन चीज को, या मतलब जो बाथरूम या यूरिन को छू लिया है, ठीक है, तो उसको बोलता है फाइव फाइव. डू नॉट try to come to me, because you are trying to express very stringy smile. Okay, just like this. तो मतलब फाइव मीन्स क्या आता है? वेल डन में शाबाश. When someone has come here to win unexpected things and unbelievable things, you do not expect whatever they have win on. Just like this, you will have to say that, well done guys, well done. Now I'm proud of you, my son. Now you have proved yourself that you are only my students, because now you have won this match, and you proved and showed yourself that you are only one of the most expected and unbelievable person. Okay guys?
Okay.
Just like this. मार्वलेस. वाह की यूज हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? ठीक है. जैसे वो मार रहा है, सचिन Tendulkar hits the ball goes to the boundary, and umpire stands for 6. Just like someone says, oh, mark just like this you will have to say, okay, in such type of events and whatever events happening with you, okay, tit for tat, sorry, wink आंख मारना, जैसे कि most of the people are excited to flirt the girl just like this, okay. कहता है कि बहुत सारे लोग जो सो अपना गोल को भूलकर और जो सो ज्यादातर वो लड़कियों की प्रति भागे रह जाते हैं, जैसे देखो most of the boys are excited to run out behind the girls to flirt, okay, but they don't know their motto is to wait for him, but when their motto goes out, when their motto goes out and they feel, oh, what happened with me, just like they are trying to say wink, मतलब वो आंख मारता है, मतलब लड़कियों के पीछे भागता रहता है, तो ये जो बोलेगा हम लोग इसको विंक, ठीक है। tit for tat, drop in silence. tit for tat means क्या होता है guys? जैसों को तैसा। अगर कोई आदमी पहले I am trying to make you understand for a long time why are you doing like this. Keep quiet for a moment and let me make you understand. Okay. Tit for tat means guys. Tit for tat means I am trying to teach you. जब कोई व्यक्ति आपको एक थप्पड़ मारता है बिना कारण का, ठीक है, तो ये जायज नहीं होता, तुम भी उसको रिएक्ट करोगे, उसको रिएक्शन करोगे, क्रिया पर प्रतिक्रिया करोगे, ठीक है। अगर कोई भी आदमी बिना कारण को हमको मार देगा तो क्या हम उसको दो झाप नहीं देंगे, वो एक झाप मारेगा तो हम दो झाप देंगे, ठीक है, ठीक है। तो समझ में आ रहा है, इसीलिए tit for tat कहा जाता है। अगर तुम ईंट का जवाब दो रहे हो तो हम पत्थर के जवाब देंगे, ठीक है, समझ गए ना। If you are giving me answer very solid answer, I am also giving you double solid answer, okay. So मतलब tit for tat, जैसे अगर तुम without at random you are trying to slap on my cheek, I am also after that I am also taking very strict actions towards it, and I would like to slap on your cheek 2 times, okay. That means tit for tat. Tit for tat means oh, oh, my dog is dead. बोलने के एक्सप्रेशन भी हम oh, my dog is dead, मतलब अरे मेरा कुत्ता मर गया, अरे मेरा जो चावल था वो जल गया, ठीक है, अरे ठीक है, अरे फलना लड़की भाग गई, ठीक है, just like this you use okay in the sentence and to make your sentence right, okay. And if you are trying to use such type of word meaning in the sentence, I'm sure that your sentence becomes very exaggerated and authentic way. So guys, if you are trying to, I would like to make you understand that you will have to remember and just try to use in your behavior. I'm sure that it will be very amazing and authentic and effective way. Okay? So guys, alas दुखी, alas दुखी का, ठीक है, कहता है कि when I was मतलब when I am going to market by bike, suddenly someone ठीक है? Suddenly someone passed away. Okay? Yeah, suddenly someone passes away. तो तुम बोल सकते हो, alas, my relative and my neighbor passes away suddenly while I am trying to get ready to go to market by bike. Okay? Just like you can use alas. Okay? Such type of use you can bravo. Oh my God. Just you can't expect anything what happens with you. On that time you can say that, oh my God, what happens with me? Oh my God, what happens with me? Just like you feel much better because you know that because unexpected and activities unexpected activities you can't imagine about that activities which happens with you. Okay. So such type of activities which happens with you, on that time you can say that, oh my God, what happens with me? Okay. When someone keeps trying to get government job, but they can't imagine what happens with them. Suddenly they feel, oh, and the government issues their job, and they, oh my God, I caught it. Oh my God, I caught it. Oh my God, I caught it. Just like this, guys. Bravo means wabai. Okay? Bravo means wabai. जैसे कि keep quiet. Keep quiet. I'm trying to make you understand that you will have to keep quiet for a little bit because let me make you understand by teaching you. And this topic is very conical and significant topic for you. If you try to use in the sentence, it will be conventional, and it will, I'm sure that your way of expressing power becomes very authentic and amazing. Okay? So that's why I'm telling you that keep quiet for a moment. After some time, I would like to teach you by giving a slap on your cheek. Okay? This is the last warning for you. Hello? This is the last warning for you. And look at the board and try to understand what I'm saying you. Okay? Okay. Bravo. Bravo means, I'm trying to say that bravo means just like when someone doing like when someone is doing unexpected things and just he became successful on that time and someone gives you bravo after doing hard work, now you become very successful, and that's why I am telling you and I am giving you bravo. Okay? Just like this, you try to give bless like this. Bravo! Oh my child, I am giving you bravo. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Someone asked you, are you boy? Yes, I am a boy. Are you girl? Yes, I am a girl. Are you inch? No, I am not inch. Okay? Okay. So guys, it will be very golden and authentic way. And you do not forget my channel. Okay? And if you see my videos, if you watch my videos, one more thing I would like to make you understand that first of all you will have to share my videos for those persons who don't know how to use interjections word. Okay, interjections word. Interjection word.
Words.
In the sentence, after watching my videos, I'm sure that they become successful to use in the sentence by using interjection word. Okay? And it will be very golden and effective for them. So guys, if you want to be fluent in English, I'm sure that I would like to help you to make your confidence level high, personal development high, just like this. And nowadays, in the sector of English era, it will be very effective for those persons who are excited to make their confidence level high, fluency and personal development high. Okay? If any company on that time, if any company gives you offer to join in the company as the post of manager, as the post of account, on that time you don't have a confidence to claim your sentence in front of the people. On that time you will be restricted. That's why I am telling you that it's very essential. Yes, it is a foreign language, but nowadays it becomes very important language, and now it's become an international language. That's why if you are trying to make your personal development high, or you are trying to in the sectors of professional job, first of all you will have to suffer at the journey of English speaking. Okay, after that you can be successful, otherwise you can't expect. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you.